Hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kits.
And this is... the chocolate break. So, today's the day.
For what?
For chocolate. I'm ready for chocolate. I'm in a mood for some chocolate.
Oh, that's good.
So...
we have chocolate.
Yeah. What should we do? Oh. She's beckoning me to lay down that.
I think we should just start.
Alright, what we got?
First, we're gonna have some Idaho Spud.
Yeah, that's a Johnny Cash song.
Idaho Spud?
The Idaho Spud. The Idaho Spud was long and lean.
Really?
Yeah. No, that was the Tennessee Stud.
Okay.
The Idaho Spud was long and lean.
Looks like
Oh my God.
a big coconut-covered turd.
Like a big coconut-covered turd. I didn't know there was coconut on the outside. Now I'm like distressed.
Why?
Because I don't like coconut.
Yeah, you do.
Oh God, really? Look at that.
You didn't know what was...
No, I've never had one of these.
Oh,
this is like
I haven't either.
tonight we're doing the old candy assortment. Cheers. We're in the right mind.
Why would they call it an Idaho Spud? It doesn't taste like potato.
No. It's from the Idaho Candy Company, and I believe it says on here that
Is there a story?
it's the candy bar that makes Idaho famous.
You can even see the inside. Maybe like it's like marshmallow.
Yeah, it's marshmallow covered chocolate with coconut.
Interesting. 3. I like coconut.
I don't know. It's kind of good. Can you slice me off another piece? I want to be sure. 2.5 down the middle.
Since we went to Idaho, maybe now we can go to Cherry Mountain.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Cherry Mountain.
It says 1912.
Brown and Haley.
Man, that's an old...
This is Washingtonian.
bar.
By the same people who I believe who make Kit Kat or no, Almond Roca.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's
like
a
a
mountain.
pile.
Looks like a rock. Looks like a rock from the mud.
Kind of does, yeah.
I'll wipe my finger off on it. Oh. Little candy poo smear. All right, are you ready? I wield the blade again. Good God, here, let me do it this way. There, we got something happening, I don't know what.
Looks like there's cherry stuff in there, and then some nits, and some chocolate.
Knits.
Some nits.
Cheers.
Cheers. There's a lot going on. I could go with a little less nuts.
That brings me back.
To what?
When I was a kid, these were everywhere.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
It's been before my time. That was a wee baby then. I'm gonna go with a 3.
I'm gonna give that a 5. Now, I don't know if it was before your time or more of a distribution area kind of thing.
Maybe.
But, yeah, but down in Tacoma is where Brown and Haley are, and Brown and Haley make Almond Roca, too.
Yeah. But Almond Roca is like
That's
really
like,
well known.
That's an established brand. Mountain bars, I don't know so much.
I don't ever remember seeing mountain bars anywhere. Next, we're gonna go with actually one of my favorites from when I was younger. I always remember my mom getting them, and those were her favorites. And getting them for myself was very special because usually they were hers. Which I understand. It seems like, you know, growing up, Dad always had stuff that's his, and Mom didn't really have a whole lot of stuff that was like just hers. So like Rocky Road bars were definitely your favorite.
That.
Looks maybe a little melty, but they had 2 versions of it though, right?
Really?
They have a regular one, and then there's one other version that comes in like, I want to say like a gold colored package. I don't remember what the difference is. I don't know if one's milk chocolate and one's dark chocolate.
Oh!
Here's for you, ma'am.
Alright.
Bink. I feel like there used to be more to it. It says with cashews. Do you get cashews?
Immediately when you said, there used to be more to it. Yeah, there used to be more nuts.
Yeah. Wow.
More like, there used to be
lot.
nuts.
I
didn't get any nuts in that.
I wonder if maybe we got one that just didn't have nuts in it. There are totally not any nuts in here.
We got a Unique bar. Yeah, unless they're like cashew flakes, but I don't know. I'm not.
There are no nuts in this bar, I swear to God.
Wow, 0. I mean, it's
It needs to have a lot of cashews in it, though. And
that's
there's
really what
nothing.
makes that bar. Those are the rocks. This is like a
The
freshly
rocky
paved freeway.
This is marshmallow and chocolate.
Yeah, this is smooth.
That's weird.
I'm going a little bit. No, that could have been from the other thing.
There is no cashew in that.
This is new to.
I'm gonna write them a letter.
And she will.
I will. Save it. I need to take a photo of it. And I'm gonna say, look, there's no rock in your road.
We can just send them a video.
Well, that too.
I mean,
Anywho,
posterity.
there's no nuts.
It's nutless.
Cup of gold.
Interesting.
Thick, rich, and milk chocolate, creamy, smooth center, almonds, and coconut.
I've only seen these. I've never had one. Who makes this?
I don't know.
Up there, Hoffman?
Hoffman's.
Hoffman's
here
Cup
it
of
says
Gold.
The original, and it's got a picture of like a little cowboy.
So these are like really old.
Los Angeles. Adams and Brooks Inc.
Okay. Adams makes Beechnut? I don't know. These are all old. That's why I call it the old people assortment, but it's mainly like just old brands. So it looks like a peanut butter cup,
It does.
but it ain't peanut butter.
Thank God.
No, I think it's gonna be
Like peanut butter.
don't like peanut butter. By the name of Kalis. Sugar. Oh, great. It's supposed to just slice right there.
I need to get that thing sharpened.
What the heck is this thing? I thought it was all caramely.
It's
Oh, it's
more
blue.
marshmallow and nuts and chocolate.
What is it?
I'm noticing a theme here.
Old
people
old
must
people
like
can't get
marshmallow.
marshmallows. Depression era. I don't know.
Oops.
Cheers.
The coconut's mixed in with the chocolate.
And it's toasted coconut, like well toasted. So it's crunchy.
The marshmallow isn't overpowering, which is kind of nice.
But the chocolate is violently sweet.
Like cheap chocolate sweet.
But that is like the best coconut I've had yet.
I feel very confused by this one. I don't know.
Well, it's what confuses me about it is the coconut has this kind of crispness from being toasted and also this kind of flavor. It reminds me more of toffee.
Yeah, that's what I was getting at first. And it wasn't until actually like sitting and chewing on it for a second that I was like, oh no, that's not toffee. That's coconut. I'm gonna go with 3.5. It's not bad.
I'm gonna go 2.5. It's good and it's fascinating, but I hate the texture of the chocolate.
The chocolate and the coconut, or just the chocolate?
Chocolate's hard as a rock. It's too thick. Yeah, the nerve and yeah, the blood. Never was a horse like the Idaho Spud. I love you.
I love you.
Bye, people.
Bye.